What's up, crew, and welcome to the breakdown. We just got totals for the number of homes that are now past due, and it was a foreclosure news report by Black Knight that shows that 2020 ended with almost 34 million loans in some state of delinquency, and that seriously delinquent loans were up 250%, but they're well off their pandemic peaks. There's also new data in places where foreclosures are already rising, and many of those locations are in California. Welcome back to the breakdown, folks. I am Jonathan Smith, and this is the real estate breakdown for investors. What's going on? I hope everybody's doing well. In today's breakdown, here's what we're going to talk about: mortgage and specifically delinquent mortgages. Black Knight is a data analytics company for the mortgage and real estate industry and provides really remarkable data for investors so that you can make the best decision. The company just published its first look at December mortgage data and found that there were 1.5 million more delinquent loans and 1.7 million more seriously delinquent loans at the end of 2020 than at the beginning of the year. The number of delinquent loans that has been dropping since the high in April. The year ended with 6.08% national delinquency rate. And just for clarity's sake, delinquent loans are loans that are past due by 30 days, while seriously delinquent loans are past due by 90 days or more. Black Knight says seriously delinquent loans are more than 250% higher in terms of year-over-year numbers, for a total of 2.6 million loans that are seriously past due. Black Knight also reports that the national delinquency rate at end of year was at the lowest level since April because of the pandemic. Because of the foreclosure moratoriums and forbearance programs that we've seen in 2020 and now 2021, foreclosure numbers are at record lows. Black Knight went on to say that year-over-year foreclosure starts were down 67% in 2020, and that foreclosure sales were down to 70%, just over 40,000. Black Knight Director of Market Research, Walden, says there are still a lot of unknowns going forward. As many real estate experts have said, a lot depends on the path of the pandemic, the vaccination rollout, the economic recovery, and the fate of the federal stimulus programs, including those that help homeowners. Many homeowners have also been able to lower their payments by refinancing to record low mortgage rates. And Black Knight says prepayment activity was 112% higher in December of 2020 than the year before, and it's continuing into 2021. President Biden signed an executive order during his first day in office that extends the federal moratorium through March. He also proposed another extension through September 30th as a part of his economic rescue plan. Walden says it's not clear how many delinquent borrowers will be able to start paying on their home loans once the forbearance programs are over. He goes on to say that moratoriums will extend beyond those expirations, so homeowners will have more time to get their finances back on track. But we may also learn more when the moratoriums expire about the percentage of homeowners that are going to be able to go back to performing on their loans. Thanks for watching the breakdown today, folks. It was just a short update here on the mortgage market. This is something we're going to be really paying really close attention to as we move forward, because this in and of itself is really going to help investors, and it's something that we're going to be tracking very, very closely. Until the next video, I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.